Hi all, in this video I'm going to show you guys a simple way to improve DaVinci Resolve's performance to about 50%. And the thing that we are going to use is the timeline proxy option, and we are not going to use the native timeline proxy option. We are going to use the manual timeline proxy option. So to use the manual method, head out to the project settings, and from the timeline resolution option, change the resolution to 1080p if you got the 4K footage, and if you got the 1080p footage, reduce the resolution to 720p. Don't go below 720p, because if you are color grading the footage, then the resolution below 720p will not be good enough to grade the footage. So try to change the resolution to only 720p. And another thing is that if you are only cutting and adjusting the position of the clips, then you can reduce the resolution to 480p, because it won't make that much big difference. After that, before exporting, then head out to the project settings again and revert the resolution to original resolution. Then save the settings, then just on the timeline scrub over all the footage to make sure that there is no problem. Then you can export the project without any problem. So that's it, that's all about this simple tip.